Whenever you're starting your new venture, it's not like it's going to be overnight success in one day. There are going to be setbacks, there are going to be failures. So how do you maintain your self-esteem as a budding woman entrepreneur is our topic for today. The first thing that I would want you to do is to focus on those things that you are good at. What are your strengths? Let them reinforce you to really add that fuel of confidence within you. The second thing that I would say is start taking challenges. If you take challenges in your business, that would help you to grow as a person and grow in your business. The third thing that you got to look at is not something inside work, but outside work. What is that thing that really gives you that energy? It could be your favorite workout, it could be going for a dance class, it could be singing classes, music, something outside work that gives you energy. The next thing that I would want you to focus on is start going to those people who encourage you rather than going to those people who criticize and discourage you. And finally, focus on the change that you want to bring. What is that change that you want to bring with your work? When your focus is there, you will not look at anything else. So these things will help you in maintaining your self-esteem.